Hello, Pearland, Texas. My name is Joe. I run AmericanRoofSupplements.com. I maximize roofing claims for roofers all over America. Here's what I'm doing. I am tying customers such as yourself with roofing contractors in the area that I like, that I do business with, and that I know that are presentable and have good reputations, So here's the thing, guys. What we're doing is we're doing one free supplement, one free checkup, and then we're going to check your roof, see if there's any damage from hail and wind. If your roof is a little tiny bit old or anything, I mean, you're in Texas, so you probably have some sort of damage on your roof. We'll take you through the process from start to finish and get you a new roof ASAP. And another thing too is they'll do the whole thing through the insurance, okay? So they'll take you through from start to finish with your insurance company, and next thing you know is you'll have a really nice roof on the back end, and real simple, Go ahead, click the link in the description, watch the video in the description. It takes you to my website. Fill out that form. I'll call you, or I'll get one of my guys to give you a call, and we'll set up an appointment. It's 100% complimentary, and all we're doing is looking for that wind and hail damage. So go ahead and click the link. Thank you so much for checking me out. We'll talk to you later.